This is a concrete bucket which we are using at site to lay concrete. As you can see, a latch is fixed to the bucket with a gate. When the latch is pushed down, the gate will open and the concrete will be poured into the below funnel. In addition to that, there is one man cage. To operate the latch, one person should stay inside the cage and the door to be locked all the time when he is inside. As you can see here, one worker is staying inside the man cage and he is wearing a full body harness for the safety of falling down. Now the concrete is being poured inside the bucket by the truck mixer. There is a latch and it should be locked all the time during the travel to reduce the spillage of concrete. As you can see now, he has opened the lock and now the concrete is pouring down to the location where they want to do the concreting.